let's talk about your brain's incredible cleaning crew. It's super important, especially as we get older.
Okay, so get this. Your brain actually shrinks every single night. No joke.
But don't worry, it's a good thing. It's actually how your brain washes itself out. See, your body has plumbing to drain waste, but your brain, it's sealed off from all that. So how does it clear out nasty stuff like the proteins linked to Alzheimer's? This is key.
Well, it's called the glymphatic system. Think of it like a power washer for your brain.
But here's the catch, and it's a big one. This whole system only works while you sleep. When you're in a deep sleep, some of your brain cells can shrink by a whopping 60%. That shrinkage makes space for cleaning fluid to rush in and wash away all the gunk. And this whole flow is controlled by tiny little gatekeepers. They're called aquaporin 4. Now, as we get older, these gates can get out of place, making the cleaning less efficient. So, can you do anything to help your brain's nightly cleanse? Let's find out.
Well, it turns out how you sleep matters. Sleeping on your side looks to be the best. So, for a cleaner brain, it's pretty simple. Maybe just try sleeping on your side tonight. You know, sleep is so much more than just rest. It really makes you wonder, what else helps?